Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the out of this world.
That's the
See
one.
what I did there?
All the puns. I'm not sure which puns we used up last year and which ones we didn't. We had through, previously it was the 2022 alien coins from the Scottsdale Mint because they're kind of, I don't want to say this too much as a bad thing, but they're a little bit behind with the timing on the years of them. So the 2022s actually came out in 2023, and we're now in 2024 looking at the 2023 Scottsdale Alien. But this is a super exciting one because
there's so many comments we could make about Americans there, but we won't.
Yeah, it's probably best to steer clear. But yeah, no, these are a super exciting release and one that I kind of feel like we carry the torch on a little bit because we got quite a surprisingly large amount of the allocation of their gold ones last year.
We did,
and it was the first time that they'd ever done them. They only did 1,000 of them, and that's it. We got close to 100 of the entire release.
Yeah, not bad for a little old Australian company.
That's the one.
So I'm looking forward to it. I've seen pictures of it, but I haven't seen them in real life yet. So
yep. So we are
looking forward to this moment.
We are starting with the silver.
We are.
And we will see. Looking at the images, we've taken a look at them on our live stream. Fridays at 2:30. If you weren't already watching. But yes, let's take a look in the hand what they look like.
We know they're going to be good because they're Scottsdale.
They do a fantastic job.
They do a brilliant job. So you've got the two aliens there. I'm trying to read it upside down and it's not working.
Invasion is here. We've got in the top left and almost like a little grid style spaceship blasting off with two different types of aliens looking at us there. I'd say one a little bit more intense and serious than the other.
I think I prefer last year's design. But that's all right. And then over the page we have, and I can't orientate.
There we go. I've moved it to it. Yep.
Okay.
We've got the Republic of Ghana with the face value there of 20 cetus. We had some discussion last time if people thought it was almost like phases of the moon or something that they were going for, or like crop circles on the back there. But yeah, still cool to see.
I think they do a great. I actually really like the obverse on this one.
Yeah,
possibly more than I like the reverse.
Yeah. They no longer have Her Majesty on them though.
No.
Previously, I think we made comments about the fact that there was an alien coin with Her Majesty on there, but
they've ditched that.
They've ditched that.
So beautiful coin, available in limited numbers. So if you're into the aliens and you're collecting them, grab them sooner rather than later with those ones. Now, the piece de resistance.
This one, I'm not going to let you sit here and say anything about, oh, this one should last a couple of days, or, you know, we had the wedge tail recently, and I think the public has banned you from saying anything like that. But Michael said on the video that it was going to last like a week.
It's going to take me a week to get into it, so it probably will last a week.
By the time people are seeing this, though, they will already be up. But for how long is the question? There we go.
They seriously stick these things down.
I mean, you don't want it coming apart midway through.
Yeah, well, I mean, fair enough, but
one of these days, yeah, we don't want to have an unboxing that we open up and go, hang on a minute, where's half our coin?
Yes, there is nothing worse than opening an empty box, I can tell you. After much struggle,
we got there. And now we have another box to contend with.
We do. Hopefully this one's a bit quicker and a bit easier.
Maybe we should have skipped a bit further ahead, but no, you're making quick work of it there.
And
even more boxes! And we got two separate ones there. Priority mail of the United States Postal Service. We're not in, I don't know what the Australian equivalent of we're not in Kansas anymore is.
Wow, I'm stuck. Almost lost my glove. Alrighty, we're finally getting somewhere.
So they come in capsules, these ones, so there is no tubes, unlike the silvers, which I believe are tubes of 20, those ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are correct.
Phew. But yeah, these ones come kind of as they are, but in very nice capsules from memory.
The glove is just making it harder.
That's the advantage of capsules is we don't have to stress too much.
All right, here we go. Up on there, that will make it pop a little bit more, I think. So same design, same two aliens, but on a 1/10 gold. Very, very limited. Do you know the mintage numbers on the silver, mate?
I want to say 10,000, but I will flash it up on screen.
Yep, okay. And then there's only 1,000 of the 1/10s. And they go like hotcakes. Look, you should have 24. No, I'm kidding.
No, don't.
They will go.
He's banned.
They will go very, very quickly. So grab them. If you're in the market for them, grab them as soon as you view this video. Get on there and order them if there's any left. Now, we have had a fairly large request that I fully support of people who have bought this series in previous years, so in 2023, that they get an allocation put aside for them because they've started their collection. So they wanted the chance to be able to buy one for the next part of their collection phase. So
yeah, we did a poll over on the stream, and most people were in favour of that.
Yeah, we did. So look, it's only fair if you're one of the ones that has purchased it. Obviously, you're going to like that option, and even if you're not, the fact that you buy a 2023 one in 2024, when we get next year's one, we'll make sure we prioritise if we can. We'll make sure we prioritise you in moving forward from there if you want. But
so how is it happening?
That's an excellent question. If you've ordered from us previously for the 1/10th Alien in 2023, we will send you an email. You probably should have received it already. If you click on the link there, it will take you to a secret squirrel page with a secret squirrel password that better be in the email, hopefully, and you'll enter that, and that will take you in and allow you to purchase one of the 1/10s. Now, you need to have done that by close of business on Monday that's coming up. Ruben, what's the date this Monday?
I think it's the 18th.
The 18th. It's about the 18th, whatever Monday the 18th is, around there. We'll keep them reserved for you until that point. Anytime after that, we will release them back into the general mill, and people will be able to, just the general public will be able to buy them from that point on.
But don't stress, there is still some that will be going up separate to that. So we will still have some available for general sale even before we see if there's any leftovers from that. But yeah, as you said, they are a very hot item and will likely go quickly. Yeah. But check the links below, see what's going on, and yeah.
Yep. The silver one we've got a few more of than the gold.
Yep.
But I don't expect them to last very long either, really.
Yeah. No, they're a popular one as well.
Yeah.
Very cool Scottsdale. Some very secure packaging for Michael to break into, but some very beautiful coins as well. So yeah, hit it again. We'll see what they do for the rest of the Alien series. Before we sign off, is there any chance, I ask this every year, is there any chance we will see any of the numismatic releases of the Alien that they do? Because I know people in the comments will be wanting to know about those.
Yeah, look, we are trying to bring some in. So yeah.
Okay, no worries. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see if anything comes of that. And if not, Michael, we will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.